Hi guys, summer's here and I've been using my new portable air conditioner by means of keeping me cool. It's convenient in that it's portable, so whether you're travelling or on the go, you can bring it with you and conveniently set it up. For example, if I come in here to work in my spare room, I can bring it with me to stay cool as I work. Likewise, if I decide afterwards to take a break and watch some television, I take it with me and I'm conveniently cool for the entire period. Not only is it just a fan, the fan also has 3 speed settings, so you can press the on button to turn it to 2 times power, and once again for triple speed, and then reset it back to normal. As well as this, in addition, you have the spray function, which gives you more air conditioning, even cooler. You can check your water level by looking through this gauge, and to add more water, you simply take this off and fill from there. Without water, the spray function will immediately disable. If you only need the fan on for, say, 2 hours, there's a 2-hour time setting. Pressing the second button from the right will set it to 2 hours. Once again, we'll set it to 4 hours, and a third time we'll set it to 6. If you are doing work late at night, doing some reading, there's a nightlight function on the portable air conditioner. The lights change colour throughout, which makes for a nice pleasant aesthetic to the room. If you want to turn off the fan, you don't need to hold the power button. You can simply close and it will switch off automatically. Thank you very much.